Hi everyone, you're welcome back to this amazing video. So I don't want this video to be too long, but before I get started, I want you to understand that this is not a financial advice, all right? And this will not get you rich, and there is no guarantee of any earnings here. Earnings here depends on your consistency, depends on your devotion, and the results varies. All right, so this is not a financial advice. Okay, so now in today's video I'll be showing you this particular survey platform. It is very, very good. I have tried it, and as you can see on my screen, I have 400 points. I registered yesterday, and I was able to have those points. All right, so what is this survey all about? So the name of this survey is Prox panel. The link is in the pinned comments. Okay, so what they do here, this particular survey panel is not all about other surveys that you do. Okay, this is a video survey. Do you understand? This is a video survey, so they will ask you questions as how survey do appears, right? But this one, they can ask you, for instance, if they have like 10 questions to ask you, two can be maybe they'll just ask you and you choose option, and then the remaining 8 will be a video survey. So this platform is basically a video survey. All right, so you are not typing anything, you are not writing anything, right? You are basically showing your face in the video. So you compose yourself, you must have steez, all right, and then you read the questions you were asked, and then you give exact answers. Okay, so that is how it is, and you need 2,500 reward points before you can redeem any reward. So now, and their payment method here, as you can see, all of these, we have the Amazon, we have the Apple gift card, we have the Walmart gift card. Okay, you can see them here: Starbucks e-gift card, DoorDash, and thereabout. Okay, but the easiest one is Amazon or Apple. All right, then if you have a virtual Visa reward United States card, okay, if you have a Visa debit card, okay, which is United States, you can also use it here. But trust me, the easiest one here is Amazon and Apple. All right, okay, so that is how it is here. So this is a very, very good survey. Now let me tell you the requirement you need to get started with this survey panel. Now for you to get started with this survey panel, what you need to do is to have a US phone number. Okay, a US phone number. You need a US phone number and a US address. If you are trying to fill in your demographic, please, you will see an option. They ask you, what is your ethnicity? Don't choose white, choose black, black American, African. Okay, you are white, we are saying black, it's not gonna speak well. In fact, they will ban your account instantly. You understand? So that's it. And if they ask you, are you married? Either you're married. In fact, let me not say much here. Okay, if you want to know the demographic, you can join my community and chat with me there, and I will give you the demographic that you can use for this particular survey platform. Okay, so that is how basically it is. All right, so now immediately you register, they are going to ask you to verify your email. Now after you verify your email, now they will ask you to save that email on your contact address, which is your email address book. Okay, so that if there is any survey, you will not miss out. Now this is how to add it, because I know that is where some of you is going to have a problem. Okay, now this is what you are going to do. You will go to your email. Okay, you'll go to your email. Okay, and then you will click on the email they sent to you, which is my verification email. Okay, now as you can see, this is the email they sent to me to confirm. Now to add this email to your address book on this particular email, now you see this place. Okay, let me show you guys with my brush. Okay, now you see this place, right? You are going to click on it. Once you click on it, then as you can see, this is the email they ask you to add to your address book. All right, so this is it. I have actually added this. Now you see this place, you are seeing pencil icon. It's not going to be a pencil icon for you. Okay, it's going to be a human avatar with a plus sign. Then you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, you will see add, then you will add it. So that is how basically it is. Okay, that is how it is. Okay, now this is an example. Okay, this is an example. This is another This is another email I've gotten from another website. So if I want to add this now to my address email book, what I'll do, I will click on this place. Okay, I'll click on this place. Once I click on this place, now as you can see, this is the human avatar that I'm talking about. Okay, this one. Then I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, now as you can see, it will bring me here. Can you see that? It brings me here. Okay, and then I click this up here to save it. I click this up here to save it, and I save. Okay, by so doing, I have actually saved it, so that in case there is any survey coming, you will not miss any of it. Now let's go back to our Brox panel. Now as you can see here, this place, do not use VPN. They will detect. Okay, do not use VPN. So if you want to access this website, as you can see at the top of the screen, my proxy is turned on. Okay, so proxy is the only thing that works here. And if you want to buy proxy where you can get a very strong, stable, reliable proxy, okay, the link is in the pinned comments. Geonix, you can get your proxy from there, your United States proxy, okay, or your UK proxy, but this particular platform is strictly United States, so you can get your proxy from there. The link is in the pinned comment. Okay, if you use the link, you are going to have a discount. All right, so that is how it is. Remember everything I have said here. This is a United States based survey. Okay, another thing is that it's a video survey. Then you must use proxy and not VPN. Then if there is any question you are being asked, you must not be camera shy. If you're camera shy, you cannot do this survey. Okay, you make sure you give your detailed explanation. All right, so, and to those of you that watch the video about becoming a travel manager, congratulations to all of you that actually applied. You passed your assessment test and you are training right now. So those of you that have not watched the video, this is the video on the screen. Do well to watch it and apply also. Okay, so moving ahead, another great platform that I want to show you here is this. It's Alignerr.com, and what they do basically here is for you to train AI. This one is not like Silencio, this one is not like Yoop AI, this one is not like Pillar AI. Okay, so this one is basically they are hiring you as their team. Okay, and every now and then you will be having job to do. Okay, so that is how, as you can see, where experts get paid to train AI. Join our expert network and unlock continuous opportunities, remote, rewarding, and on your schedule. So what you do here is that you apply here, you submit your CV. I think so, yes, you submit your CV, and then they hire you. And this is instant hiring. All right, instant hiring. It's not something that is going to take long. It's instant hiring. But before they give you that instant hire, you must pass through an interview. Okay, you must pass through an interview with an AI assistant. So it's not a real human that is interviewing you, it is AI. And basically they are not asking you something serious. Okay, so they will only ask you about your knowledge about AI. To those of you that are AI trainers, and maybe probably one of these days, or probably before you have applied for AI annotation job, you have an idea of training AI and all of that, then I need you to head over to this website and apply for this particular job. Okay, so you click on apply to Alignerr. Okay, where you can get paid, and this place is you are going to work on your schedule, 100% remote job. Okay, so, and it is so rewarding, as you can see. Okay, so you will click on apply to Alignerr. So you click on it, and then you fill in all the necessary data that you need to fill. You upload your CV, and then the AI asks you 1 or 2 questions. All right, your video will be turned on. You will turn on your video camera. Okay, so it is advisable that you use a system, a PC. But even though you don't have a PC, I think you can still do it. All right, so this is how basically it is. As you can see, general experience verification in English. Okay, so this is the assessment to take. I've actually registered here, so I will take this assessment, and then I get started with it. Okay, so this is it. This is the work here. General experience verification in English. Evaluate your ability to communicate and elaborate in English, and go through your overall experience with an AI interviewer. You understand? I hope you heard what it is. So I'll click on retake. I'm supposed to do it, but I ended it because when I was navigating this site, I really don't know what it's all about. So I don't even know I've hopped into the interview section. I have to end it, prepare myself, and come back later. And that is why you are seeing retake assessment. Okay, so that is how it is. You get verified, right, with your ID card and all of that. So this is a great opportunity for you. You are working remotely 100%. As you can see, you have so many jobs here that you can do, so you won't run out of job here. All right, so I think I should stop here. I've actually given you two platforms now. You can hop in right now and do, okay, Brox panel and Alignerr.com. So the links are in the pinned comment so that you won't click other link or go to other website that is not basically here. Like I said, this is not a financial advice. This will not get you rich quick, and this is not guarantee. All right, I am not saying immediately it is guarantee you are going to be any. No, no, no. Okay, result varies. You can get hired, you can get rejected. It is normal when you are applying to any platform. All right, if you are accepted, congratulations. If you are rejected, don't worry, better days ahead. Okay, so you just try your luck, and that is how basically it is. Okay, so in my next video I'll be showing you another platform that I'm currently doing right now. In fact, survey choke when it comes to that platform, because even though I'm not a fan of survey, but I know a whole lot of you love survey, and I've seen people that are making cool money from survey. Okay, so I decided to go and make research to bring nice updates to you guys about survey. All right, to those of you that like survey and all of that. And this particular one, in fact, I am the one that is even running away from survey, because as you are ending one survey, another one is coming out. As you are ending one, another one is coming. So if you love something like that, that will give you some rewards, all right, at least if the reward is coming consistently, I think that is the best part of it, right? Okay, so if you love something like that, hit on the like button, subscribe, and join my community, because there are some updates. I do not drop it here on my YouTube channel, I drop it in my community. All right, so that is how basically it is. Okay, so thank you all. Okay, bonus points. Okay, so now I actually share this particular platform with my community members. Okay, just for ladies alone. Ladies watching me right now, this is Camlo. And to those of you in my community that do not really understand this update, now listen again. This is the last time I'm going to talk about this website. Now this is a live streaming website, okay, a video call where you talk with lonely people and get paid. You chat people and get paid for it. Okay, so that is how it is. Now this website is very good. I have tested it. I'm giving my own review and my own opinion about this particular platform. So now this is Camlo. When you video call, you chat people, you know, and get paid. But this is not kind of live streaming, but not really live streaming, because when it come about live streaming platform, you'll be talking about going maybe live for 2 hours for 10,000 coins or for 20,000 coins, or something like that. Okay, but in this one, no. So all you need to do is to click the link in the description box or the pinned comment, or join my group to get the link. All right, once you click on it, you are going to verify. Okay, you are going to verify your account, and after you verify your account, you can start talking to people online and getting paid. Okay, so this is the platform, and I don't want to talk much about it. This platform, okay, can earn you some rewards, which I don't want to mention how much you're going to earn because of YouTube policy. But if you want to get the whole gist about this particular platform, check on my Rumble channel. Okay, the video is there. Check on my Rumble channel and you are going to understand better. The link is there, the full video of how it goes, just for my ladies alone, alone. Okay, so that is how basically it. If you want to earn $2 or $3, it is left for you. Like I said, this is not a guarantee or a get rich quick scheme. Okay, and result will definitely varies. All right, so that is how basically it is. All right, if you found this video helpful, do well to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more exciting videos. Don't forget to join my community and stay tuned. Catch you. Bye.